Hey guys, how are you doing? In this episode, we are going to see the unboxing of iPhone 16 Plus black color. So last year, Apple have released this beautiful black color with the iPhone 15 Plus, and they maintain the same color tone with this year's iPhone 16 Plus. Let's quickly have a look at the box contents. So here you can see the iPhone 16 Plus in black color. The 16 is going to be the exact same color. Below that, you have the USB-C to USB-C cable. Within that, you also have the SIM ejector pin. You have the basic instruction manuals inside the box. Let's have a close look at the iPhone 16 Plus black color. Here you can see the camera cutout area alone has a separate black color glass sheet that shows kind of a shiny surface, and near to that true tone flash is separated this time due to the vertical structure of the camera layout, and that kind of looks ugly, I believe. Mainly for the spatial photos and video shoot, Apple had to move the two cameras in the vertical position. And at the bottom of the iPhone 16 Plus, you can see the speaker grills, and in the center you can see the USB-C 2.0 port that has the transfer rate of around 500 Mbps. The higher transfer rate is still reserved for the Pro models, and this time the iPhone 15 Pro exclusive action button comes to the iPhone 16 models, and when you set up the phone, you will be given the option to set action button which function you like to perform. You can of course choose from any of the shortcuts that you have to execute series of any system features as per your choice. Previously it was silent switch, so I'm kind of used to that, so I like using it as a silent switch to quickly toggle on and off between the putting the phone on the silent or removing the silent feature. And this time we have the new camera control feature on the right side, and during this setup you will be given the basic instruction about how to use the camera control button on your iPhone 16 or 16 Plus. This camera control button will let us to quickly launch the camera and start taking pictures. You can adjust it by simply swiping up and down the zoom, the gestures, and with a double tap and double press you can perform various different actions. The 60 Hz display is still bothering most of us. If you have already used 120 Hz display, then both the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus will definitely be a bad choice. But you haven't used any 120 Hz display so far, and you are considering to get the 16 or 16 Plus for price reasons, then definitely this display is a perfect fit for everyday user, and you won't feel any lags or hiccups while using the application and while browsing the web. Overall, the 16 and 16 Plus have a very slim and thin profile. It is comfortable to hold even with the large form factor. The phone is comfortable to hold. It has lesser weight, around 199 grams. I'm definitely going to miss the Plus model this year because I'm planning to go for the Pro Max, the 16 Pro Max this year, especially for the video purposes. So if you have also got iPhone 16 or 16 Plus, do share your thoughts in the comments whether the 60Hz display is bothering you and how the camera control button feels like, whether it is a gimmick or it is useful to you. Thanks for watching. For more useful iPhone, iPad and Mac related tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful day.